Welcome to today's travel. Today we are visiting Menton on the French Riviera. It is often overshadowed by its sister Nice. It's right on the border of Italy and France, so it makes a nice convenient day trip to Italy and Monaco. This is Menton. Beautiful place. Nobody here on this cloudy, misty day. Here is the viewpoint of Menton. It's a beach community, but not in December. There's Italy right there. You can walk to Italy right over there. Spitting a little bit. This is our viewpoint, and we were supposed to have it at 12 o'clock. How pretty these streets are. Looks so much like Italy. Yeah, it seems like a lot of the residents are Italian, you can tell. She looks Italian, not French. See how the shutters are? Oh my god, lots of samples here. What?
I don't know, different
Pesto.
pestos take. These are olives.
Up in that. It's the olive spread. Just trying everything. Rated little pieces. You get more, it's so cheap. This one's prosciutto with arugula. Okay, well for euros we'll pay. For euros, what do you want? Okay, let's try. It's truffle, this one.
Really?
Champignon and truffle. Oh, I can smell the truffle oil. Oh man. Holy crap, smell it. Here, you. pretty market. Wow, look how pretty that is. All these cheeses. Whoa, cheese galore. Truffle. What kind of fish do they got here? A mullet. Shrimps. Bar. Salmon. Smoked salmon. 12 pieces. I've seen so many types of chicken. Look at them all. Beautiful chicken. Pigeon. Wow, look how pretty those are done. Look at that, perfectly done. Looks pretty fresh. Look at all the sausages. Place you want to eat, it's closed for the season. Again, seems like they all take off for Christmas, and then I guess Christmas gets a little busier. So we just climbed up these steps looking somewhere to eat. We don't have anywhere. We'll do this again tomorrow. I don't know anymore. Oh, it looks like both churches aren't even open. Maybe it's 12 o'clock. Quite the climb up here. Thanks for watching Dave's Travel. Don't forget to like and subscribe.